You're trying to build your credit, right? Maybe you've heard of Possible Finance. It's one of those fintech companies promising to help you establish credit history. But here's the burning question. Does Possible Finance actually report to the credit bureau? If you're planning on using Possible to boost your credit score, you need to know the answer to this. Let's dive in. Understanding credit and credit bureaus. Okay, let's start with the basics. What is a credit bureau? Think of it as a giant record keeper that tracks your financial history. The big three in the US are Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. They collect information from lenders, like banks and credit card companies, about how you handle your money. This information is then used to calculate your credit score. A good credit score is like a golden ticket to financial freedom. It can help you get approved for loans, credit cards, and even apartments. But building credit can be a challenge, especially if you don't have a long financial history. This is where services like Possible Finance come in. What is Possible Finance? Possible Finance is a financial technology company that offers loans and credit building tools. They target people with limited or no credit history. The idea is to help you establish a credit history by reporting your loan repayment to credit bureaus. But does it actually work? Does Possible Finance report to credit bureaus? The short answer is, it depends. Possible Loans. Yes, Possible does report loan repayment history to two of the three major credit bureaus, Experian and TransUnion. So, if you're looking to build credit through loans, Possible could be an option. Possible Card. This one's a bit trickier. While Possible does offer a credit card, it currently doesn't report payment history to credit bureaus. This means using the Possible Card won't directly impact your credit score. However, Possible has hinted at potential changes to this policy in the future. So, keep an eye out for updates. How does Possible reporting work? If you're using Possible Loans, your payment history is reported to Experian and TransUnion once a month. It's essential to make your payments on time to build a positive credit history. Remember, consistent and on-time payments are key to improving your credit score. Pros and cons of using Possible Finance. Like any financial product, Possible Finance has its pros and cons. Pros. Can help build credit for those with limited or no credit history. Relatively easy application process. Potential for lower interest rates on future loans. Cons. Higher interest rates compared to traditional loans. Fees may apply. Not all credit bureaus are reported to currently. Alternatives to Possible Finance. If Possible Finance isn't the right fit for you, there are other options to consider. Secured credit cards. These cards require a security deposit and often report to all three credit bureaus. Retail credit cards. While these might have high interest rates, they can help build credit if used responsibly. Traditional credit cards. If you qualify, a traditional credit card can be a great way to build credit. Tips for building credit. Regardless of whether you use Possible Finance or another method, here are some general tips for building credit. Pay bills on time. Keep credit card balances low. Monitor your credit report regularly. Dispute errors on your credit report. Limit new credit applications. So, does Possible Finance report to credit bureaus? It depends on the product. Possible Loans can help build credit, but the Possible Card currently doesn't. Ultimately, the best way to build credit is through responsible financial behavior. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.